So we're heading to the pool area right now, and it is a beautiful pool, large. You have these nice palm trees. Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 12,700 of you guys who decided to support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022 by smashing that subscribe button. And if you're not yet subscribed, why are you not yet subscribed? Follow the shirt and hit the subscribe button. Alright? But enough of the chattings. I know I'm ready for the video. Wanna ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today we're heading to Kingston, more specifically the Stony Hill area, to check out an apartment for rent. It has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it is going for an asking price of 1,400 USD per month. If you'd like to rent this property, you can reach out to me at momentsbybooth@gmail.com, or you can shoot me a WhatsApp message at 876 572-8387. But you don't know my style already. I'm about to flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there. So Akeem, out. Alright, so today we're at the Riviera and we're going to look at a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Stepping on the inside, this is the kitchen, and it is a fully open concept kitchen. Granite countertops, nice tan cabinets. This place does come fully furnished, so you have your microwave, your toaster, you have your stove, you have ample upper cabinetry space and the lower cabinetry space. You have a really nice refrigerator here for your convenience, and then a dining room table is right here. Very quaint. Now stepping off to my right, we have the living room area. We have a nice sectional, a nice ottoman, a really nice area where the TV is at. Nice TV station. I could see myself really sitting here and enjoying my time. You have a fan right here, and of course, what brand is this? Windy air conditioning units. Hit me up if you want windy air conditioning units. I have the plug. Behind the sectional, you do have a outdoor space. Very nice patio space. You can step on out and see the view of the surrounding area, and it is very peaceful. I don't know if you can hear the birds chirping, but up here is a beautiful area in Stony Hill. All right, and then I forgot to show those accent lights up top, but they're beautiful in your kitchen as well, and the deep double bowl sink over there as well. Stepping on the inside of the half bath, you have your washing machine right there, and you have what's customary in a half bath, a toilet and a sink, and soap of course is there, and ventilation because this is a room without a window, and then you have a window right there in the living room as well. So let's step on into, before we step on into the secondary bedroom, you do have some additional storage space right here. So stepping on into the secondary bedroom, it is kind of like a hexagon in a sense, kind of like a 3/4 hexagon. To this side, you have a nice dining table, a nice bedside table. This looks like a twin queen bed. You guys can let me know. in the comment section down below. Of course, in the air conditioning unit again, lighting and fan, you have 1, 2, 3 windows, and outside is absolutely beautiful, very peaceful. Your neighbors and yourself keeps this place fully manicured. You have a television on the inside as well, and ample storage space for your clothing. And also on this side, you do have ample storage space for more clothing as well. So stepping on into your bathroom, oh my gosh, I almost fell. Stepping on into your bathroom, you have your sink right there. You have an area for your toothbrush and your soap, towel rack, nice, beautiful tan sandstone tiling. You have a nice large toilet, white towels that are here, and of course you have this beautiful shower curtain with, of course, blue accents, which I love. And then you have the molding on the ceiling right there. So let's move into the primary bedroom. And stepping into the primary bedroom, you do have a king size bed frame right here. And then I think this is a queen bed that's on it, but it is still very much spacious. You do have an air conditioning unit over there again, windy, big up. A fan right here. Space for you to store more clothing. And what's on this bed as well is some additional spaces for you to store additional things. You have power outlets close to the bed, which is a nice touch, always nice. And then for us, those of us working from home, you have your at-home office area. All right, so that's pretty nice, pretty nice. And then stepping on the inside, you do have your vanity, single vanity, your toilet again, your towel holder, and your shower tub combo over there, the same molding up top. And that's pretty much it for this space. If you're looking for a house in this area, you should like the space. Also, let me know if you guys like these new shirts that I did. It has a Moments by Booth on the front, real estate and travel, and subscribe. And of course, follow suit and subscribe. So we're heading to the pool area right now, and it is a beautiful pool, large. You have these nice palm trees that are here that really gives you a tropical feel. Very nice pool, very nice and large pool. And then it looks like it has a jacuzzi area over there as well. And then there is a gym that's to my right as well. So all in all, this is a beautiful, beautiful space. I could jump off in this pool right now as it's a really humid day. But yeah, that's it for the pool. Let me jump back into my outro. Bye guys. But yeah, that's been it for this particular property. I hope you guys enjoyed this virtual property tour. Comment down below and let me know if you're willing to rent this space. I'll put the price right here. And also, don't forget to live life on your own terms and to help me to follow my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that like button. AB signing out.